Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we re-diving into a true beast of home cinema, the brand new BenQ W5850 laser projector, which is finally available here in the US. BenQ's W5850 laser projector is a cutting-edge home cinema projector designed for movie lovers and serious AV enthusiasts who want true cinematic quality in their dedicated theater spaces. Now available in the United States, this projector combines advanced laser illumination, wide gamut color accuracy, flexible installation features, and modern HDR support to deliver an immersive home cinema experience. At its core, the W5850 offers a true 4K UHD resolution of 3,842,160 pixels, producing incredibly sharp and detailed images that rival the clarity of commercial theater screens. The projector's laser light engine delivers up to 2,600 ANSI lumens of brightness, making it suitable for viewing in a range of lighting conditions, while also promising a long operational life of around 20,000 hours with typical use. The high contrast ratio of 3,000,000:1 and wide color gamut support further enhance picture depth and realism. One of the standout strengths of the W5850 is its color performance. It supports 100% coverage of both DCI-P3 and Rec. 709 color spaces, ensuring film-accurate reproduction that reflects the original intent of directors and cinematographers. With support for HDR10, HDR10+, and HLG, along with BenQ's HDR tone mapping technology, the projector intelligently balances highlights and shadows to retain detail in both bright and dark scenes. An optional filmmaker mode preserves the director's intended look by disabling unnecessary image processing, further improving authenticity. Installation flexibility is another major advantage. The W5850 features a short-to-standard throw ratio, 1.0 to 1.6 to 1, and a motorized lens with 1.6 times zoom, making it easier to achieve large screen sizes up to 180 inches without extensive repositioning. It also offers 2D lens shift and keystone correction, allowing precise alignment even in non-ideal spaces. These features make it suitable for various room sizes and layouts, whether mounted on a ceiling or placed on a shelf. Modern connectivity options help future-proof the projector. With dual HDMI 2.1 ports supporting HDCP 2.2, users can connect the latest 4K sources, including gaming consoles and streaming devices. The inclusion of EARC and SPDIF allows high-resolution audio pass-through to external sound systems, enabling rich cinematic soundtracks including support for 7.1 surround sound and Dolby Atmos. One practical detail for buyers. The BenQ W5850 retails in the US for approximately $6,999. This price positions it at the higher end of BenQ's lineup, reflecting its premium performance and feature set compared with older models, such as the LK936 ST. Its combination of true 4K resolution, laser brightness, wide color gamut, flexible mounting options, and modern connectivity makes it well suited for cinephiles seeking the best viewing experience at home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.